16.
Okay guys, this is an either or game. When it looks like this, you need one number out of the two numbers in each box. If they call one number, you mark them both. And you need a full card blackout.
21.
So there's 52, so I'm gonna look for 52. 52 is gonna be on the right side. There's 52. I'm gonna mark both
Thank you for
numbers
the
in the box.
translation from the last winner.
52, I'm gonna mark both. They call one, you mark both.
52. I hear a possible bingo.
There's
Please hold your
13.
cards while we
I
verify.
have 5 or 13
Thank you,
here.
Veronica.
I just need one of the two numbers, either or. So I'm gonna mark 5 and 13 because there's 13. 13 is gonna be on the left side. On your strips, it's 1 through 25 in the left side, 25 through 50 in the middle, and then 51 through 75 on the
That's a
right.
good bingo for the three-face bingo for Sweet Pea slots with 52 in the pattern. Do we have any other bingos?
Some bingo halls do
Seeing none, going once,
different
twice, 3
patterns and
times.
second chances and first chances and all
Seat
that
number?
other stuff. But that's how you play the either or game. There's a lot of games that look like this.
Thank you. Going
Or
once,
they look like
twice,
this
3
on the
times.
inside.
Paid out one lucky winner. Congratulations. Continuing on for the 5-face bingo for Sweet Pea slots.
That was you?
Next number 13.
So there's 60. So 60 is going to be on the right side. So 60 is in your card. You're going to mark both numbers in the square. So here's 60. I'm going to mark both numbers.
60.
60. Both numbers. Bingo is always one number ahead. Now I'm looking for 10. I don't have 10. Or I already have it marked and I don't need to mark it again.
10.
19. 19 is going to be on the left side. I have 19
Thank you for
here.
the generous donation from the last winner.
I'm going to mark both numbers in that box because it's either or. And I need a full card
19.
blackout. Some places you need a different pattern, so pay attention to what your bingo hall needs.
Eight.
Okay, 33 is in the middle. So I'm gonna look down the middle of my card for 33. I have right here, I'm gonna mark both numbers because I only need one number in each square. So I mark both.
33.
65 is on the right side. So I look on the right side for 65 on all my cards. I almost have a blackout, but I have to have a blackout before anybody else has a blackout.
65.
47 is down the middle. So I'm gonna look down the middle for 47.
47.
57 is on the right side. So I'm gonna look for 57 on the right side of all of my cards. Is something funny?
57.
You're talking to.
We do still have some flash games for sale on the floor. Pocket Money, Hot Streak, and Burnout.
She's talking to future bingo players.
70 is on the right side. So I look for 70 on the right side of all of my cards.
Thank you for the generous donation from the last
I only
winner.
need 4 numbers
70.
because you only need one number in each square. I don't need all 8 numbers. I just need 4 of the numbers here on this card. 42 is in the middle. So I'm looking in the middle for 42 on all of my cards.
42.
Everybody's shocked because that's a hot ball. If you bingo on this ball right now, you get an extra. How much is it?
Giving you guys chances.
How much is it? Extra what?
30 something.
It's an extra $3,000 or so dollars.
Hot ball, 23.
And she got it.
Bingo, please have your card
And
slowly
she got it.
verified. On the hot ball.
Somebody got it.
Go ahead, Nick.
So I needed 3 numbers. 30 or 38, 54 or 56, and 63 or 64. So that's how you play the either or strips.
Wow.
This one is sweet.
That's a good bingo with 23 hot balls.
Everybody's excited because she got the hot ball.
Nick, can you check if she has the hot ball, please?
Ooh, did she buy the hot ball then?
Imagine.
She
All
bought
right,
it.
she did purchase a hot ball.
Let's see how much it is.
Paying that lucky winner. Congratulations.
I don't know how much
Pay
it
her
was.
additional $3,200.
Wow.
Congratulations.
She got an extra $3,200 on top of $1,250. But that's how you play the either
Get your
or strip
Chili
games.
Dash, Dollar Dash.